Happy Sunday, my friends, and welcome to another cleaning motivation. I wanted to give you guys another cleaning motivation to get you guys through the week. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. So if you are just having a relaxing day and watching me clean, or if you are getting up and cleaning with me, let's go ahead and get into it. You should learn that on your own. I wanted to start in the living room. I had just made my coffee. I was feeling quite proud of myself because on this day I was actually starting to film in the morning. It was a beautiful day, so I wanted to get the filming done so I could be able to spend the time with my boys and also take advantage of the lighting outside.
Make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that.
I was just going around doing some wiping, and I was using my Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I don't really have a specific cleaner that I'm loving right now. I just grab whatever I have, but the Lysol I always have on hand. I just love it. But also, I've mentioned this before, the Method cleaners, or all of them. I love all of them. So I go between those or whatever I find on sale in the stores, I just pick up for cleaning. So that's what I was doing here, just wiping down everything in the living room.
Fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
So on my to-do list was to clean our sliding door in the master bedroom. It was so dirty and I forgot to clean it on the last master bedroom clean with me that I did. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. It's also in my playlist for cleaning motivation if you ever want to go see and get more cleaning motivation. So it's all there for you guys. And so anyways, look how beat up our screen is. We have to replace it. I tried to tape it up. I bought this screen tape from Amazon, I think. Yeah, and it did not match. So it stands out. You could honestly see where I taped it off, but it'll have to do for now. So anyways, I wanted to clean out on where the door slides. It was so disgusting. It has some dead bugs in there, and I wanted to give it a quick wipe down and also wipe the whole door and the glass part as well.
Wave it like it's a tissue, baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold.
I was back into the kitchen. I was jumping everywhere, so I wanted to start off by emptying the dishwasher so I could get the dirty dishes in there and start cleaning on the countertops. I feel like it was so cluttered. I don't have a lot of countertop in my kitchen, so whenever there are things on it, it just looks so cluttered. So I wanted to take care of that first.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love,
time to take care of the floors, and I went ahead and I swept the kitchen, but for the rest of the house I used my Dyson to vacuum up all the dirt before I went ahead and started to mop.
Thank you for making me see it. I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
Now I wanted to show you guys the overview. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. If you are new, welcome, and thank you so much for sticking around and hanging out with me while I cleaned, and I hope you got a lot of cleaning motivation, and I'll see you guys next Sunday in a brand new video. Take care, guys. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about